Oscar and Orion couldn't stop thinking about what the bird had told them. The next morning, Oscar paced back and forth across Eryka's desk.
Do you think they're okay?
I've been thinking about that child all night.
Maybe we should go check on them.
The bully is back! What happened?
It got worse!
Then we need to help. Right now.
Oscar and Orion got big time plans.
Whoa!
New friends here.
Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and share.